Everyone, my name is Fritz. In this video presentation, I will discuss Kotlin classes and objects. Now, let's begin creating a class. To create a class, we need to use the keyword class, then we put a class name. Class animal. Then, we add two property name and species. Var name and var species. We can make it nullable by adding a question mark sign, which means it can hold either a string value or a null. Question mark, question mark. We can also make the properties into a constructor. We just have to put an open and close parenthesis. Here and instead of var, we use val, and we separate the two constructor with a comma, and we delete. We are going to add a function for the class animal. To do that, we use the keyword fun and then the function name make sound. And inside it, we put an output. This animal makes a sound. Fun makes sound. Print line. This animal makes a sound. Now we will create two subclasses. Still, we just use the keyword class and the class name. We will name the first subclass dog and the other is cat. Class dog and class cat. To define the subclasses of the animal class, ensuring that both inherit from the animal class, we need to use the open keyword and put it before the parent class and the function in order for the subclasses can access anything in the parent class. Open class and open function. And to specify the inheritance, we use the colon, animal, annotation, then we put a parameters inside the parentheses. So, animal, when we add a property breed for both dog and cat class. Van breed. Now we put a function for the subclasses. We use the override keyword to override the function in class animal. By doing this, instead, this animal is going to be printed. It will going to be bark or meow. We put override fun sound. Mhm. Bark. If you notice, there's an error. We just have to put inputs. Finding. Finding. After creating an instance, we can now call the method or function for each class. Animal1 dot make sound v1 dot found v1 dot make sound. Since our topic is about classes and objects, we can create another class that will inherit class from class dog and cat. So we create a class name T-Rex and put property age and sex. Class T-Rex value age dinosaur. Fun. Print. Huh? And now we are going to try inheriting a function in class dog from the class T-Rex. To do that, we just use again the same annotation but with the dog class. Then we put the open keyword in the class dog and we create another function to be inherited by the class T-Rex. The inheritance that happens is when the class dog and cat inherited the function of the animal class and the class T-Rex inherited the function of the class animal and the class dog using the annotation, then the class name and open close parentheses. As you can see, we have an error. We just need to add a function which is attack and we need to make it a open class and open function. In here, I created an instance of the class T-Rex and called the method from the animal class and dog class.